Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand the concept of hash map in Java. Hash map provides the basic implementation of map interface. It stores the data in the form of key and value pairs, So every value will be associated with a corresponding key in the map. So it's similar to the concept of dictionary object in VB. If you are aware of VB language, it's the concept is very similar to that. And over here we store the values with the corresponding key. So it's the combination of key and values. And to retrieve a particular value, we can use that particular key. So let us see how we can create the object. Let's use the var keyword to declare the object. Let us say var map is equal to new hash map, and over here in the angular brackets we need to provide first the data type of the key. So let us say the key has integer data type and the values have string data type. You can choose any data type. You can have both strings, both integers, or one string, one integer, or double, whatever data you want to declare for the key and the value. Now let's add some values. So over here I have added 1 Jan, 2 Feb, 3 March, and so on. So the way we add values is by using the put keyword, map.put, and the first argument is the key and the second argument is the value. So these values now have these corresponding keys, and when we try to display the value or the map over here, we'll see all the entries. So over here you see all the entries of the hash map. Now let us see how we can retrieve a particular value by using the key. Let us say I do something like map.get and provide the key as 2. So it will provide the value at the key 2, that is Feb. So when we run this program, we get the output Feb, that is for the key 2. Now what if the key is not present? The particular key that we are providing is not present in the hash map, then we'll get the null as output. So any key that you provide, whatever, if it is not exist in the hash map, it will say null. So to add the values we have put, to get the values we have get operation. Hashmap also has an interesting operation that is called as map.contains key, very useful. We can check whether a particular key is already present in the hash map or not. Let us say I put it as 3, so we are asking map, do you contain the key 3? If it is present, it will say true. If it is not present, it will say false. So in this case, the key 3 is present in the hash map, so it says true. Let us say 33 is not present in the hash map, so it's going to say false. So very important, contains key operation. Now let us see how we can update the existing values. Let us say I want to update the existing value at key 4. So currently the value is April, and say for example I want to update it to December. So the existing value at key 4 will be changed to this new value over here. So when we run this program, we see the new value for the key 4, that is December. Now to remove a particular value, we can use the key. Let us say I want to remove the value at key 4, so we can just provide the key for that value and that particular value will be removed. So when we run this program, we don't see 4 April in the output over here. There is another way also. We can just use key, or we can use the combination of key and the particular value to remove. So let us say I use something like 5 and May to remove that particular entry, and when we run it, that particular entry 5 May will be removed. Now but this is more interesting. In this case, whenever we use an entry to be removed, it should be specific and precise in terms of providing the key and value. Let us say if I miss the key, then nothing will be removed. So there is no key 55 and entry or value May. So in this case, this will not get removed. Or for example, if you say key 5 and value something else, so it's not going to remove the entry at key 5, it will still be there in the hash map. So when we use remove with the key and value, that is remove with the entry, then we have to be specific and precise, providing the key and value, and then only it will be removed. For now, let me comment these 2 lines, and we have something else which is clear, which will clear the whole map. So when we run this program, we do not have anything in the output right now, everything is clear. Now apart from that, we can convert this map into set. Let us say I have set 1 and I want to take the set of all the keys, so that can be taken simply by using key set, map.keyset. And also we can take the set of all the values, so let's say we want to take it into set 2, so I can simply say map.values. So the set of all the values will be taken into this set 2. And for example, let me create a set 3, and let us say I want to create the set of all the entries. So an entry is the combination of key and value, so that particular will be taken as a set into this set 3. So let us display all these sets here, set 1 and set 2 and set 3. And when we run this program, over here we can see this is the set of all the keys, this is the set of all the values, and this is the set of all the entries in the hash map. Let's quickly revise. To create the object, you can use the var keyword if you are using Java 10, or you can use the conventional approach of declaring the reference type by using hash map. And to add the values, we have put method. To retrieve a value by using the key, we can use get method. Contains key will tell us whether a particular key is present or not present in the hash map, and there are some remove operations, and to update by using the put keyword again. So to add the value also we have a put, and to update the value also we have the same put keyword. So if a new key is being added in the put, it acts as just add the new entry in the next slot, but if you are using the existing key, then it acts as update operation. That's the only difference here. And then we saw how to convert a map into set of keys, set of values, set of entries, and printing all the values. So this is about the hash map. In the next session we will see the tree map. Thank you.